Assalamu alaikum, wonderful viewers. Welcome to the Political Hour Show here on Eco TV International, the People's Choice, where we invite politicians, youths, and women to discuss about the trending issues in the country here. And today here with me is the youth president of the United Democratic Party, Haji Sawane. He will introduce himself shortly, but before that, you can kindly follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Sponsors are also invited. You can call on the numbers on the screen to sponsor this program. Assalamu alaikum, Haji. Welcome to the show.
Walaikum salam, Rohi. Thank you for having me. And I know I have more names. Some call me Suare, Suani, Sawani. Anyway, but it's all the same.
It's all the same.
Anyway, I thank your viewers, wonderful viewers, and I hope, inshallah, the program will be definitely fruitful discussions.
Okay, thank you very much for being here today. Well, we've seen that on Saturday, you and your youth wings, you've conducted a protest against this ID card issue. What was the reason for this protest?
Thank you very much, Rohi, once again. Yes, on Saturday, 23rd of August 2023, we embarked on a peaceful demonstration to show our dissatisfaction against the Ministry of Interior's recent issuance of ID card in foreign lands. The reason why we protested was that the scheme itself is illegal to conduct such an activity outside of the jurisdiction of the country. We feel the law put up a guideline, regulations that cannot be met outside of the country. To that belief, we come to the conclusion that ID cards can only be produced or can only be issued locally here. Even though the minister might have the powers under the Nationality and Citizenship Act, but the same laws also has put up some regulatory frameworks that before the minister can appoint, and even after appointing, there are some certain procedures or roles of some other authorities that cannot be achieved outside of the country, which is like the CFOLU, the Alkalolu, and the governor's role. So if you appoint a registrar, for example, or assign immigration officers to go and do this activity outside there without adhering to those laws, that means that you are violating a law you should be protected. So the ID card issuance, the illegality of it is what prompted the whole issue of applying for a permit or requesting for a police protection to do a peaceful procession to show our grievances and our dissatisfaction that the Ministry of Interior is following the rules of the game in favor, to our belief, potentially rigging elections or manipulating elections in favor of the incumbent, but because that's what they can do.
Okay, well, during the protest, we've conducted several interviews, and many said that they don't have ID cards, but the government is issuing ID card in a foreign land, and they don't have it. What is your take on that? Yeah,
that's the most funny part of it, because if you look at ID card, I can tell you from January, those who submitted their application for ID card locally here, 90% of them did not have ID cards until this August here. So, and there was a time from 2024, I believe, to 2025, there was a period, which I think it was around 11 months period, that Gambian immigration were not able to produce or print Gambian ID card locally here. So somebody in your right mind will first ask a question: what is the essence of giving ID cards in countries that Gambian ID card is irrelevant to any of the processes that the citizens of the Gambia might have done there? Okay. Because if you come in terms of applying for residential permits in Gabon, Gambian ID card is not a requirement. Gambian ID card in Gabon cannot get you you cannot be used as an identification document from Libreville to other part of Gabon. So if you want to apply for nationality or for residential permits in Gabon, you cannot use Gambian ID card. So the only document that is relevant there is consular card. If you have a Gambian passport, you can use the consular card as a supporting document to ensure that the process of having residential permits in Gabon is being attended to. So Gambian ID cards are not asked, and they are not requirement in those processes. So locally here, people who need ID card, it is more relevant because you look at transactions like if you go to a bank, you want money, you want to withdraw money, or you want to send money, most of the time you have to provide an ID card, because you don't expect somebody locally in the Gambia here to go for an ID, to go for a passport, because they might not be able to, they might not be in the way of traveling. But those already who travel outside the country, you expect that they should have passports. So if you cannot produce an ID card to somebody who needed ID card most, you want to go and give it to someone who even need it less, who doesn't even need it. So the questions of the electoral malpractice is that's the point it arises, that this thing is not to help Gambian, but it is being done there to empower certain activities or to cater for inflation as far as our voter processes are concerned. Because ID card here, if you want to travel from Basse to Frafenye, immigration will stop you here and there to ask you ID card. If you want to travel from Banjul to Koina, immigration will stop you here and there to ask you for ID card. So that ID card cannot be printed Gambia here locally to meet the demands of the people. Why would you sponsor a project like this ID card, overseas ID card issuance, freely being given to people who need it less? So this is something that people have concern with, because ID card, like I said, if you even go to Senegal here, you cannot use it in any transaction. You cannot even withdraw a Mayor Western Union money transfer. They only ask you ID, passport. So if ID card cannot do you those processes, I see no reason, no justification that the Gambia government can rely on to continue the issuance of this ID card in foreign lands.
Okay, so far, what is the outcome of this protest?
Yeah, the outcome of the protest is for the citizens to know that these people are no more, in fact, in those countries anymore. Since we apply for the permit, they know seriously citizens want to go out to protest. They withdrew all these men, and they are now currently on the ground here. That tells you that they know what they are doing is illegal. They know what they are doing is dubious. They know what they are doing is dark, and then they don't want to be exposed. So they make it a kind of a quick competition. Before we even embark on the protest, they withdrew those personnel on the ground in Gabon to bring them in the Gambia here without even completing what they are doing there, because they mentioned 3 countries, that is Gabon, Togo, and then Congo. But none of Gabon and Congo and then Togo were or have benefited from the scheme as we speak. So as we stand here, we submitted these petitions. It is 3. The other one is ID card issuance, which we believe the government will do the needful, and then the other one is the IEC, also on electoral issues, and then hate speech and tribalism in our political discourse to be stopped. The other one is at Parliament, that is the increase of these nomination fees, and also the abolishment of the Alcalo attestations, and to make sure that they introduce the interview requirements as far as voter claimant applications are concerned.
Okay, talking about tribalism and hate speech, during the protests, we've had so many people chanting that no to tribalism, no to hate speech, no to injustice, and Gambia for Gambians. What do you really mean by that?
Tribalism, if you introduce it into politics, what it attracts is hate between tribes. So we cannot afford our country, a small country like the Gambia, whereby our diversity, we believe, is our strength, to be divided by to be divided on tribal lines. So when I am a politician, I believe to get the Gambia on a track, I have to be able to convince Gambians based on my policies and my programs, but not on my tribal affiliation to people. Not to make sure that people hate each other because the other one is a Mandinka or the other one is a Fula. Not to ensure that the Fula and the Sarahule cannot speak when it comes in terms of national political discourse. So what we believe, this thing is been driven by some negative politicians who wanted to tarnish the image of tarnish the integrity of the entire politicians of this country. So we believe IEC should take a stand, because there is a code of conduct that IEC have, which is to ensure that political parties and politicians, when they are on political platform to send their message, is supposed to be a message that is constructive. It shouldn't be derogatory remarks or rhetoric that can definitely damage the peace and stability in the country. And pre-elections are very key in terms of maintaining peace and stability in a country. So we believe the current trend of our political discourse is being dominated by tribalism and hate speech, and that will not definitely do well as far as elections are concerned. Because when people decide their leaders based on tribes, at the end of the day, the Gambian people are going to suffer, because the tribe is nothing when you have a worse country or a worse government. The tribe might be nothing when it comes to security issues, peace and stability. If you count that tribe they might all suffer because what is wrong, they have driving their government based on those principles. And for that reason, we believe as young people who are supposed to be the leaders of tomorrow or the future leaders of tomorrow, we should mitigate its impact because pre-election and post-election, as I said, is instrumental or key in terms of maintaining peace and stability of a country. So we don't want to be divided by tribes. We don't want tribes to hate each other because of politics. We want to ensure that there is level playing ground. There is an inclusive way of tolerance by each and every Gambian. There must be a political discourse that attract policy programs and then principles of democracy to be promoted by the leaders' integrity to ensure that we convince Gambians based on those lines, but not who is a Mandinka or who is a Fula, who is a Sarahule, who is a Jola. Because at the end of the day, that Jola and that Mandinka are the ones who have that village. They share the same neighborhood, they are in the same mosque, they are in the same church, they are in the same football field, or they are at the same Bantaba. So if we divide them, how, at the end of the day, when elections pass, how are they going to live in those bantabas? How are they going to be in those mosques? How are they going to be in those ceremonies or at that funeral ground? So you don't want to divide people. At the end of the day, the people you're supposed to be governing. If you divide them, we believe it's going to be impossible to govern them.
Okay, and we've seen that the protest was organized by the United Democratic Party's youth wings. So was this protest mainly supposed to be for the United Democratic members or for the whole Gambia?
Now, if you talk about ID card, if you talk about election, you talk about electoral nomination fees increment, that doesn't only affect UDP. Yeah. This is a national issue. So the call is for Gambians to act on something that we believe tomorrow it could jeopardize our collective interest. So we organize it as young people of the UDP, but we did not limit it to our party. We invited other political parties also. But anyway, it is left to, we saw most people there who are not also UDP. People were there who are independent. We saw people who are activists. We saw also people also who are from different political backgrounds. So, but what matters here is not the one who lead it. It's about the cause that we are fighting against.
Okay, saying recently the gala and other youths many elementary gala fund gala membati ifana ye fonko kele organization o kele ya protest conduct le on Friday which is against pure network regulation quality. So what is your take on that?
Anyway, nga nyamere umulla nyantoleti pour ka finti ka demonstration okay. If you look at luanying ala bunda mong ani lulo bunda killing kotola ako momol na nyantole mo for peaceful demonstration. But loi bele jeme alon ko is public order act e ka command wala 1961 le anata jang wato men na mararobe koyo bulan wato e ka fa colonial rule. So wo loi kilo ngani police anena mazakunda hansa iman sonka fali because itelke mun na fanno wala le pour ka nyin sifal ge menke. So gala la fonding ke de menke wo mi la nyantolte pour yake although loi be je loi me alon ko wole ko itake no la ni manta police la dunyo le nyini o loi nyi ndum banko be mbe sundal ko loi kurungole mo loi jawole mo loi la me alon ka be molla kamol tinyaka anda molla nyantol tinyaka anda marar kam me alon ko 1997 consular de infaka no fana fama nyo kan na wali le but as long as we speak loi le mo but gala menke daje wol men ko man PA system o use mana man kuma kam bagasta jorante bula yeme use and fana yeme for ko won ko ta petition ta ka di imodanta so police o nyapide kan and nyapide kan nyamenna aye dol tilimbali abakale mo yalon ko mo yalon ko le finta kayro ko la jorante bulu ko la police o nyapide ka tiaga sol fayi kan ka kul kala me yalon ko anin harma yal nyanto man tanyola ndaje do mu kul me yalon tel ngake jawan le anon moto ndeto nyi yan nola.
Okay, ning one of the gala member fana diam tele ako biring protest ni mbake kan on Friday ataman tara no ji so but birana tan after tata no police station otole mo nyol jele ye detain damento it is the cell was 2 by 2 mi alon ko ata mo jamata la no but ye ila mo nyol ke ye which was not conducive for them sa itela miralo yo muna nyanta ke lawoto
no yalo wolbe on harmadi al nyanto tinyalti andung na miro to wala na binyi masakunda janna kana 2016 wolkita campaign olta ka foko men na prison reform be kala je back de nsafono reform abeke kan je to mando man amanke ko men mo lafta nyamenna barka mo tanta ka bulad la dawene wala mu 2 by 2 wala ka mo lulu fon bulad la je o mun kulme alon ko police nyanta ke haklo to bakale kulme alon ko amanyang ba in fact ndela force fon ko men ko men imanya na ka resle fanga de first place wala mun telefon ko imanya na ke resle fanga de first place nyanda ka sila do use le me alon ko wala be kala kairo te gundana de même manki ka tani arrest because pira e menge pira e luanta yaleke pira manyan naka data la pirasota mana ka internet la pirita kala fa itanya daga men ko man wala men to ka regulate isaje ko quality me alon ko mol member internet sanga ko quality ni mo taraji ba itel manya naka fo molen ko almanya naka wa fi da sonaro wanya ka da jawanle itel manya naka woke itel manya naka competition ta ka koleandi nyin tem itanya naka me gol men to ko ka tankandiro ke sandirlal ni wafirlal temudo men be internet o wafi kan ya mexo niya fa wafi niya da jindi but quality me ala ngol nyaka mol nafa ko quality wo taraji itanya naka wole forcer wafirlal kan sandirlal basan na men wotu wafirlal le bloko sign itali alo ibe men wafi kan ibe professeur ga wala manta professeur ban men ko dum wala men to ko ndemo alla kantar lalati itanya naka kantar ko quality me ala ko sandirlal haaju bolla hana asone ya nyaawo wo quality ni mo nyaka tarajele bare pure ma oke go so ngaje jan nawek hansa kuron ko tala kananare andu laweke dola fa ila kuron apiri kan ya la faji men wol min ko ni ma la faro ke jakam to ko do be to itero kenno bay bi ni la faro ke 2023 hani bite ma ni la faro ni amam fem falin naweke tamandira do kuron diol hansa kuron ko tale andu jiwo dal ben jiwo me yalon ko aka manki dal to suto mu me jiwo ko jiwo so wal tilo mo ko jiwo so no so pira do la mu service par pour leli ya keno anyama yana Gambia ferry service ngajira ja watambe de menkraje pira yalo ne ko Gambia ferry service wala do ka fe tiketo damale pira nyanda ka menko ko wol tonton ka mixo service me mulla hajiba service ni ay quality and I fana efficiently ya fam bar pira manya naka naka pirita ka adaje wande mol kam so ndira jero nyin aka mundo ko do dia se foul play damende yalon ko masakunda me yalon ko ngalon baro masakunda to comme like interest ka folo interest group mana mo le be me yalon ko sula kolu nidia kan ibe baro masakunda ta kan wala MPP ta ka fasa ba niya fasa te fana joro le be nje mana bulma sayro le be nje kam jusnya be nje kam ko compensation wo compensation ni pira ibe wole ke kanten molla men yalon ko wala kilinkinale blobe MPP parti ko la bari menke den anil luwani tamandiro satro amantajo so fonni ke la menke because fengo internet o na dunia jaman laba mo men ko labbi aka do ko le fonta ka so de fonni kele internet o na ko la dawda lon ko wo banko la economy fana ka ko le ale ba ni internet o so na dawda lon ko do ku la fara mo de fonni kele andam kam fana ko do ngam men so do lon ko nyaati nyim vera bidin commune nata ya ku do le so na di moli men ka information wala finto la mo be sa ni have access to information
han ko ndo fam mo do ba test fa ka nyaka fa nyako bi ni comme yam ye ni price nat ni jindi tenti aka mo jamal jele kadum online min yala famate jele online fon so kay tan dile ko comme yam ye so ni anat ni Gambia
ya kibaro so nan dam moli ma mo society men kalam tata mo ko fili ni no so wo awareness me yalon ko ndela jero to man sakunda ya ja kadum banko la mo dingol kadum social media ka kol kala mo de kalon ko me mistake ko men ko la kunu ni manya ni nyanta ibe karankam fana kolto namiro do man dia man sakunda ya so namiro ni mu forcer ya mella pura kan ida business group le be me yalon ko amayte febo man sakunda fana la karolo amon fana febo de ni kafta nyoma pour ka nyin purata ka wo use pour wole nyin ta ka pirita ka lafa o ninga dun ten 2021 akamto ko information janya ganya metran mulla kala mtaro wara kam bakale andu mo man sakunda febo because ning mul kam tara dron e ka kule ke yana men nyanda so bari masakunda wana me lolo men ko nyim fana be londo la bunda aba sana sindinole porque molu bi pour ya research keno ning data ta ko da akamto wolla research ata keno la ko manyanda ka
minimal
abe jila bakale so wol be mu factor me masakunda nyanda ka a put in wala na birinte ngamo yanyin fengo nati e ko ka fo ya high level committee me lone pour kanyin ko jibe ay ngel because ndanga lone ko memba ko me téléphone ba ko ma ba ni ndoko juste ak politique lo mdoron pour ka because njoguba itself yeta jane commission jibe njoguba mba membe nata njoguba mol ndako la pour kanyin la faroke wotande surprise la because njoguba jone be mol ko jane commission wo recommend men mbele ngaji baro recommendation baro na la moli nyaka so recommendation le e njoguba ta ya fintindi ma fengo kono la njogu bata ya fintindi nyin kono la commission la fenko recommendation kono la ya place nyinta ya diala so niya wol jibe wol be mukule me alon ko ay tan ko baro man la fi mo kendo la min yalon ko le gambe dingol la ko sulo e jisu ko ngodo ba safta mo me yalon ko wo sata new diata no ka diala so ay menke de o manta surprise membe jolo men to ko ban sakunda itele be nyimbe ko ma pour ka kolta ka kolande molia
okay ndu ni nata jibe fanan on monde lungo min keta walu nakete la court hearunti youth sol jamal nata kafuta nyokan itata kanifi magistrate court so ilo taroje fo fenko ila yemil detain inata nan nu say court hearing ke inata nan iko ibe sambala mail to le for certain period o ko lale ibinal nan yemuruna ko tanke court so wonata youth sol kam fandi ko ita muro la selo tan duite sambala mail to fana ikaje so inata si bunda da to pour motor kana tambi bot police ol nata jele ko there is no choice ka to itam dorala no ikanda fana inata nam tia gas o ta ye mobe tia gas media personnel le moti civilian no le mo ye mobe mo te mobe tia gas ita fe o mu kulat mi ala nyantale bang wala fama nya
no ndefe amanyam because men nga jakali munat na wo jojo be sirinje wala magistrate be sirinje awakilta kanyim fonninke ta ke samba mile tu because many yesiatema wolmang balang fonninke la bulola so nata man balang fonninke la bulola atanya ndaka ruling menke wonti jakali bakele what is the motive kanyim fonninke ke samba mile tu ke samari mile follow kum fla hapo because menga imuta ke na je loi kon la nyini man capital offense ke imam asinke imam mofa asine lo ka dimbala lo ka jani moke imam mofa imam vandalism imam mo la fana imam bunti man mo la tinya ya finto men gedron simple iko wala min ko nana kuli me alon ka manyam banko ka itiana iko ite ka woltale krawul sindi lo kum fula wota sima to janite ke la choj menota mana ila kito ta ka prepare kito me alon ka meta hani 1 second la kamera han son dalle bo pelo se belo oppose son dalle ka albula ta belo hani 10 20 minutes later wo break through wo da ma wo decide par munat na jojo mango ke wala magistrate ma ke façon ta kanyini sam ke fay ke samba wala no nga men sude je wala min ko na banko be backslide mana be arrière kan ne ka jolon dingo ko dingo me alon ko sanji mo nim fula ba bonde kan wala kono la wala mara di jawola dingo de because ninna judiciary nga men suspect natra sanyi kila moy executive lela pour que ndela nde nga lonko executive bulo ben ko to la man la fi fonni ngel la fi dola man la fi ngay bo because mo ngay bolde dunia dawde ite yela avec la je mol ka quality la jinin ka barkana do bo fengu dala wo be fentiol fa mo bloko no membe te ka has authority wala min ko hani ya do bada nda fa le kana boy telephone bari comme nga fa nyamenna quality ni ngoy maintain wala I standard quality bari ka fa ko hani de ite do bono la de baba fa ko la ke mburo ke nyamenna nu ka ko mburo dara ke mo ka ba mburo wa dala stand ko hani dala stand wo dara ba wa dala stand fulan ya fam yalla ko ni ma jolde because man sakuna ndaka fewon sona ni mol kam barka fewon ko la ni mo ka ngawje ni parola ni masakundal so nyin jojo e menke nin ata banku do lel menke da wolo fam comme man ta bi ngono baranin askeno kurul me alon ko ma yidi lama so nda jero fo ningela menke anyway jusu bolemu wala bulate la ko tilimbalia injustice naka ke aka kule wulu me alon ko wala ka fitnote so tilimbalia mun ngata ke yaklo to bakal andu ngamen je menke da wulu ngono wo ruling ko la nte man kontan andu ngajelo ko definitely kule me alon ko magistrate ni asa kukeno me alon ko wala nyanta pour que kayro ni tenko sabat ni bako because men fo ningel sambaje men ngala police wolti wol mambalam di nu wala bella munad na atel be balana wala bella ka wol sama ka wol sindi folo kum fula ya nata ka kuma sudundin safe nson dal haye fendi wala hanim balanta
okay sa bi fana nga lan le fana ko court hearing bi jele fo askeno si belno askeno te bella no fana sa ite personally ite mina wish ila fet la karola
no comme like ila diteno je ntama risen je ila diteno je mala mutoje ma to manti sen jala na niya na e bel grant aya ke ko leke na man bel grant no fana ay ake ko ay wonti
okay so aside from war fonko UDP fana ya ba processo konol mimbu fonko flag biara la kodi wo processo kane say ita fe Jumala Gandamba in best position pour que kenyim flag biarati.
No. I'm not in position to say who is in the best position.
No, opinion though.
No. I cannot just give you that opinion because my development of process lemu. Me along ka kekam and then they were part of that process le.
Okay.
Pour que auto mondiro ke.
Okay, fana ndabije.
Of course, nta follow la mo Jumala mo di best friend code because ndel beto mondiro kala. And they see la platform ka fo kar nyanta kata, kar manyana kata. Seben follow lo ko mol se hakilo tu. Isalon ko nintel be momentum bonda mais molto mona me alon ko na jigibeje wolete banko dingol jamfala na jigibeje wolete banko dingol jamfala amanke to karle mu kebati molto mona wala karle mu fondinge de nyanta ko le tombon wote mais to mondiro ki kam because banko manke donoti mo kala ko kata banko kata ni hakilo la londo ani hammo me alon ko wolebe amari oto ando nyine be na satol to ka ko luaye satol melandi ninga atati ma do timmandi mar kitabo la karola den fanal ben nak kiskitol le jikela ko kata mol fana ni ka ko deke o mo la nyini ngaro ko lan kana wala lan hakilo ka wala do ku ka je ko mo le munefo an munefo na be kede mum falin si falbe kede bi banko sura tamenna jumale sa keno nyi mene nyini ndo jumale sa keno wol ko la je ndel ka wala ta nga tombo nga di banko di ngolla même be gagné la wobi alla blo ko la par même tel ka wala mu do ko nyindi kata campagne ko kam mollande ko nyindi nga tombo nyindi dal dole kan ando ninga nyin karfari femuta ka diala na mararo ke abe nyin kala batiman la ko sa daji ko bala la londo bala hakilo fana bala ahamo fana bala andung ala mararinya fana me ngamen suta ala mararo fana ko la nae men keno nyoka nyin ne beje taman sero to so be nyil wa fa banko to wala wo kola men se ganyino wobe ala blo ko la momenta ala ya kana ka fo haji nae place ngata ganyila okay momenta ala ya ka wolo momenta ala ya ka ko haji nae place nyina ba so to la momenta ala ya ni ala yo discourse bari ala
mo pen fo moy
no ala mo fo moy mol kal wol mu kuma fuuri wala mol ke fo so men kuma radio wala men ko ite men tombon mu hamel be pour ka doko ka wiinde doko nyi ngol be te kan ani hamoni ngane men be to ani doko nyi ngol be wala be te ka men be kala wo ala bloko la men be te kan wo kedro men be ala bloko yowtu ala bloko ala bara wala so ndel men be kan wala mu kam mo kendo tombon ka wafi gambia di ngol ya andu me doko fana kala le kaaje ko mario wiin bara la wino nyi ngobe ala le bloko la banna winta ngalo ko ngam momen winindi mo kendo matam mo jamfala nama win fan salon ko ganna wakilo dindile pour ka mario ka place nyinta aya soto bari ala le mankita la this is what we have believe tayna be wala fana kala inshallah.
Okay, so regarding this upcoming 2026 election nga jela fanan ko nomination fee ya increased to $1 million. So ita fi munati no price ya muta ya kafu
ya kafu ni konante ala kan jusbo because ya on 2020 for draft concerning Dibitore ya fay bantale because mol ko le barola cabinet la mana ala minister dan tanding anu wala sita don ka loi da ilata ka loi ta ka impose gambia dingol ka mana ka a forcer gambia dingol ka so dibitore na ko loi ni mantani silola menkeda ka nyu la bunda tekete ka nyu hakilo nyinin ka mun kitaba sifal nyanta kana gambia mu marata kan sifal nyanta kana gambia kam ko mande consultation la so birima woke inananda ita lamino to ko nyanda ka tambile dibitore ta ya fay banda biri ya fay banda sanyi biro do beje me election bill 2019 ni e fanal ko mato because mo simple majority leti e fanal ci jusu bo loi da no ya dungo ko la ba loi ko da jusu bo la because loi yabe yay men ke jetem jamme ya trial bar jamme fon la bondi jako rek 2015 opposition bring jamme do ka fo nomination fima bring aya ka fo kala fa dibitore fana e betal kala fa opposition be na kana ka kilomoti ka wo kota ka kele pour akana ka because kilimbali adam ni ya nomination fi député for example ni meje sainde ya bon dara wuli lulu ya sama dara wuli keme dara wuli tallu la ite fo ninke jelu ya musu jelle bali wo place ni na sainde wo is totally contravene section 26 ko section 26 banko 1997 condition da mi tan wol min ko banko di mo be nyanta ka dabula banko hakko pour ka dabula banko la place lu marara ni ngoko la banna be kala manyana ka ta on reasonable restriction so manaka baliro ke jedron kamaro ka kutumo la jedo kutumo yalon ko amanya ka ke kawala ni ando nyino mo kutum sifale so 150,000 ile ko wulike me wulital lulu janinte ka place o nyinin kata campagne fana ke fo ngo jole flo IEC ndaba jele nyina pour ka da campagne ka futa kate failal ma killing pour wole kate fay tengol compétence no ni on dépense be la nyoka ite ka fu do ngata million le nyinin janinga pala o place o nyinin so dans la political party wala fta kam molondi kam mol fasa dibité banku talulu ni sawa kono la wo boko aboko do fente tamindol ni ngata do ite mal la fil kalo political party ko do la ite mo ite kilinamo ite bo kono be sutala minto juma be fasa pour ko be so kam ko do ila hammoni ila londoni anila experience me bloko la andaji ko nyuma me bloko la ye wo be landi karala e ko ni manke na ful tioti ite banko la place o nyini nola so mu ko me yalon ko ani démocratie mantaño la fadam fan sole mo fadam fasi ba fadam faso me yalon ko amanya na kadum politique wala amanya na kadum démocratie wala so bari jusubo kan be bada daka bara na miro ni ye taw ya yintam mende e be men invite kan wala mo ka tenku mbali ata ka because molte so na tilimala men tameta kunum o timbala sifala na e fan 5 kan ko tek bi fana ko tek
okay sen fana dum ngajelo fana ko iko like momo sita president yalla tout time ibola sabla sen dum baro fana ya intention o itandi le ko abarondal for the 2026 election dum ngaje people like Ismaila Cissé kata Bay Sankare wol finditele ka fako baroba lola ndum aba willa. What is your take on that?
No, anyway, barola lo na lo balia follow ndemang fan sun ko ngena decision taw ko la bar ngalo ngabe ko hormanta ya balta fa won pour adajo men tupi a seko de ka new porque ate fa lo tan dunia be nyaatu la ko ya de me ko la a president na la men marado ka men sa signa sanji tambe wala me wala ngara tout tambe do ngalo me ko men kuma soto balo fo o ma nya o man ka nya ko do fento ko za ko le 3 years abole safla ni a select I for Anglo County, I, President Barrow, if elected, I will serve for only 3 years, in which I will call for election. In that election, I will not be a contestant. Nde Barrow na lan tombong, metara jang kamarodo sanji sabada male, o sanji sabo nyimbe election organize lale, ninga election organize tem den dablo o kate fo kono la. Men gagné tam be place intala ngadiala, ngumuru ngata na business oka. Par ngajela murto ko teke. Sango ni banko tema afadita banko ko daga fon fadi pang akate man wo fo hanatra fana ta kala fala ko so ning atra ko ko de ako jamme da malbe taraja fo sanji tan woda malbo so taraja men sara sanji tanti ba jamme ko la modi taraja membe si atani sanji tande ba sere ko daga kabe taraja fo sanji tande lu sanji tan saba atinde surprise la because ngalon foro kantala foro daji ko tala andu daji ko be defana tala so ni nyaton ko dum man daji ko be do soto aka atebe ka fo men nyaton ka kan aka wo mo be ke mo kun kensen wala de mana aka be kun kensen dial wala nyimban ko jibi ni professeur diam da mol ka fo man layla porque bi professeur be nyaton ko bi jumala mo wala president oti so nim president keda kuma soto bali fo lati ajama jama ite be wo mel nyaton ka kanji mo mo dinga fem fo dron ika fo len ko he ngate la ke ba fa metal so baro e politician ko mo fe yandi lañ mako banya bak because ala daji ko sifa ñu ba wala ana lota atante surprise la banalo da fana skeno fana amam men fana lo ko toge men ka nyin tatamol forcé kule ka bulala men ka da nimisoti nyin tatamol tries jotna ta kelo tries te kelo la kelo ngote nyin tatam dunia la fen ko le nom le hanata la loi man tra jam ba nim mol ka kana lo ndere joda kana fam forcé folo dente man fen disade je folo ene fonte ba fala baro kana lo wala kana lo because lun mela ning te nga disade ka baro tatami manya na kataje I believe ko nde mbelo la kan hanata metal ka so ba mbelo la kan ban mbaji gar fo to nya abe molel hakilo sunya kam bang wala to nya ay même fo ya min le man ay même fo abe so ne ko definitely atbeta la kata anula manda nyi ko de manda me yalon ka defon ko wo harame ata mo mondin kanne même manke men tam men ko me wodanda jambe mal jamme ko la momol min ala wo nyi wo harame ata maro kana fo nengo yafa so asalon ko nengo même fo hansa be jere mol bala moy kan ning akabe tulina wo kuma kan wala la askeno ko banko yon ko nende bar ko men be me ripita wol men ko même momi yalon ko man la fon la kuma kan wala ni wo ka fon jam fa atende surprise anu baro man la fon la kuma kan wala fan jam fa la fanam
okay say ni nata feke fanana karola Sidi Njie min keta ko man to ko atata interview la Peter Gomez lata coffee time with Peter Gomez anata comment ko coming UDP ye molle mutaketa ki am kata mol numa ka for like ke threaten like ita fonko kela election on kela or sifa tenting so supposedly other tribes like of fulal tenting fo mu kulati mi yalon to nyala wala fo just claims le mi yalon ko rumors kension na make to nyata
no yalon Sidi Njie comme wala ko den surprise la because baro ya asen kan ta ka ndi masakunda kolla pour abe menke ka wala ke ka finno ko banko ka yalon sanji mo andim fala Sidi Njie nyol be yaaje mele fasaka be yaaje me gulta ako a sonta alala kero lole alala kita ko ata yaaje me na jumalu wole so jumo velda sita ko take a yaaje me kita ko ata yaaje me sirongo bala wolu wole Sidi Njie nyolo dara baro yaaje me tulo ko no nyimi ka filindi ka fayon ko ay balam atele ganyeta yaaje me birag abalanta o balaw nyi kono la ngajele menke banko kanja 2017 Sidi Njie be nominated député mo mana député tombo député mo do député bongo kono bari birim baro jamel masakunda be resign ta mo dan taw mon reje aboko la Sidi Njie nata o ministre men be jita Sidi Njie baro jamme atel tombon ka tabla ministre bunda da ko minister of information atre fana ka ko de masakunda la spokesperson joboti nengoto wato Sidi Njie mantoro mella banko dingol kan wato bele ngawlo musolu dindingolu koratiolu melbe banko e bantal mel banko ko la bank Sidi Njie ya be sindi anyala na mantra ni radio station to abe television bongo ala kuma ko moment wala mo ko barote kali lañ banko kanja ala kuma ko minti wol mo minti ko ya jamel president and ya jamel kala president forever ala kuma ko mo don ko ya jamel nete baro congratulate la ala kuma ko mo nyilete wol andu alota men kam wala to nyati baro me kala nyima ko ka nyaw ya jamel han bi amam baro congratulate han bi Sidi Njie man baro congratulate wo victory la han be bi men to rek Sidi Njie man lo ka baro en ko 2016 itela carte yo gagna man lo ka fo ama recognize so ninata mosol membe ko wola kalifa be nyamen woli na ron anin jammeta equatorial guinée wato men na mol fata bo wudayla ka bonam banko ka nyang kata bandra bankol ka kata iniyol tankaje karanja yeta je sénégal yeta mol traje ni la dimbal family betale be larño kanje yeta sénégal parti dol la silol kan asidol men kada je ko da men yalongo sungolul anim bandiol ye attaque jam wato men moment traje yira juron be filinde ko ma Sidi Njie fa on dam mala ko la amam bala fasoro mo mondi kambe la feri me yalon ko le baran banjulte ma mo be yalon jebe no bi Sidi Njie wato la mo men de man to so mo bo yawlo wo Sidi Njie kilo nim baro tata wole ta ko deke abori ko la gene ko toral baro tata wole ta ko deke na wole ke anoda nominated député to ko deke to mo député ko hakata ko deke banko la mo kuma nani njamoti ko ikalo diamo alo interview men fa faje birin journalist ni ka ko journalist do mo la tek journalist ko journalist ko bari nyanda kalon dem nyim banko kam mo kuma balde a foten bar jumala ko mo kuma mo me ala ko 2016 wola ko le atna Sidi Njie nyim banko be wudayne go sa ko de kala banko kanja mo me ala ko mo le kelo ko pour ko wol bondi jang wala taro jang Sidi Njie wala bam pour wetara mol kanja hana tara ni do wanta nyola Sidi Njie wala bam mo me ala mo le carte fayen ay wudayne ni ngata Sidi Njie ka akasiso kon communicate nyim banko kam mo kuma balde because of deputy speaker yalom ntete Sidi Njie jala be baro jala la so baro be fitno kurkur kany banko kany bar nyanta kamel lo wala min ko fitno mom mo na fa fenna amam president na fa amam banko dun ko dem na fa andu fitno ko la fente ji namanke ni misolde bar andu MPP say nyatri menna janela political strategy janna wala la politico kono fero tamande fe campagne fero janna wala wulin teng wala mo ka kuma ken sembal fo ka fay modul kam andu ni kam mo tumi nyin kuma kese sifalla iba jusol bonde kam andu jusubo naka dawda kam to ko to kule kaydi mi alon ko amanke o maro fon tati so Sidi Njie ay menke fon yalon ko amanto nyafo bar muna bula fola pour atela jiro ko me si siol de malu ning sidol tala ke fay nyokam etel se dia sotono je so nyindum mo masilam bad mi alon ko mo nyindaki hakilo twat ay kuma ken wala amala ne ko kam bar because of fitna mo lemo Sidi Njie ti amman balu fenna protocol dama ki fitnoti anan kuma ken fo wo fitno ni hansani wolbe tenten kam because baro ya taje ko teke kake MPP la deputy spokesperson di anan deputy speaker national assembly pour ay wo daji ko lel taka kontinendi saji baro sembo so do nyamen bante ma men tambeta wota metale men kana molto son na wala ko tek so Sidi Njie ni barobe dan dara lam do ma fule ndoro comme ni melo ni lebe isain la ko ke state house e be fanne ne ka hana lu ngasi do iba ko be malaka fa ko defne gamben ko nyaal tale anu ngawle me fana kala ko rek
okay say time of felente aba jam fakan maybe kele tell final best message to the Gambians out there and coming 2026 election of felente kan it is fast approaching maybe kele tell advice
yeah ka gamben ko yamar do anyway hakil to lam election o nyin ate abena kan nab sudata bal sen hakilo tu mol kan ke jorawolti sen hakilo tu mol kan na nyokon andun sa make sure nga gambe tam bindi nyaato falingo na hajo wala bi namo le World Bank ay même fois mamme baake kunun ko fo kunun ko balamu kadana ko julo ay nyimba ko kununde ande masakuna dépense kenya ka tayam nakute to nya akam to gambe be fo ka gambia la anu ni gambe fo to gambia men be batala wala gambe di ngolti ko na je nyim president be Sidi Njie bi ay fo president bill la ko nata jita man sa yato aba karla ka fanjole ko president be Sidi o be ko do me sotola afana be sotola atala abeta fo li del kelale abe kol buña place ko sotola me yalon ko ite man trawo sotoka idi man trawo sotoka ifa man trawo sotoka so munata mbem fam fala système me yalon ko amante la balu ni balu nyata ka consider so banko ni ngata be nyaado doron akam do siolu wala amba keban dindiya ndo yusla has a tool pour ngana banko du ngata ngola ba me yusol mun ko hamun daji ko ni foroya ani londo ni men banko fana ba fal ni le sa système mo meje système mo fale no ala ma ko do kam
okay abaraka ba okay haji sawane Baraka Baki for joining us today. It's a pleasure having you on our platform here. And this is how we've come to the end of the program. This is the Political Hour Show here on Eco TV International, the People's Choice. You can follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. For more updates, sponsors are also invited. Please call on the numbers on the screen to sponsor this program. And don't forget to subscribe on our channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.